Mandela effect is
Question.
real, and here is another
When
example
was
he
it
effing
not
with my
dangerous
head.
to put metal in the microwave? Bro, this is really messing with my head. Help me to understand this. Because when I used to put metal in the microwave, as we were always instructed not to do growing up, here it is, I see another video showing that the Mandela effect has taken place once again. Apparently, metal can now be cooked in the microwave. Hold on. No bullshit. I just seen this on TikTok. And I'm finna show an example. Metal fork. Metal fork in hand. Metal fork. Microwave. This is gonna mess y'all head up. I was scared to do this at first. I was scared to do this at first. But I had to see what was going on. Once again, metal fork and microwave. Hand. Same row. No game. Microwave. Start. 30 seconds. Usually that thing could be getting ready to spark right about now. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, people. The fork is in there. Nothing. Since when? Since when? I cut it back on. I'm finna stop it. Open. It's a little hot. Fork in hand. Fork in hand. Hot than a motherfucker, but not sparking. Bro, what is going on? What is going on? Go try this for yourself, man. If you my age, go try this. Y'all know, metal don't, no, that doesn't happen with metal in the microwave. It does now.